This way. Hi, cucumber. What's your name, cucumber? What? Is it a fish? Huh? Is it a fish? Is that a fish? Oh. Perlas? That's man a fish. Asan na ko na fish? Look, it's a boat. Boat? Let's do si island ni Ma. Si ate nasa kaygay na island. Huh? Where do? Asa?
Karong
Oh.
16.
Umita sa takilid sa fish.
Right niyo pabalik.
What's he doing something?
Dos. Mairo ninyo.
isa man ang violet.
Di ba?
Asa man
Ako, amot mo ng violet.
Ito daw nako.
Where's the baby?
Baby crab. It's a baby crab.
Violet.
Asa dai? Ya, tara.
Baby crab.
Kani? Ay,
Ano na apa na apa?
ha?
Mommy, why he doing something?